Hey everybody, here's a quick tutorial on how to adjust notification settings in Microsoft Teams. It's important for us as adults to do it, and also really important for our kids to do it as well so they can keep their attention and focus on their learning as much as possible. Seems like in the past month or two, they've changed the notification settings slightly. So this is an updated video on how to do that. So from the main Teams screen, you're going to want to go in the top right. Either if you've uploaded a picture, it'll be that circle with your picture in it, or just your initials. Mine's just my initials. So you click on that. You scroll down here to the settings area, click on that, and you'll get that pop up with some of the settings in it. I'm going to go to the notifications, which has the bell next to it. And so this is what yours will probably look like. Hopefully it should look like. It's not the old looking version of it. My mentality is keep things as simple as possible and limit distractions as much as possible. And so what I'm going to do is click on this custom. First off, I turned off the sound. Just again, any kind of additional distraction affects me, so I keep that off. I'm going to click on the custom settings. And so what I try to do is keep, again, as minimal notifications as possible. So again, I keep this as the basic one, only showing feed, turned off any team mentions, replies to conversation I started are only in the show in feed, and basically everything else shut off. Just because, again, I personally function better when I limit the amount of things coming through. And so I encourage you to obviously customize this to however it works for you. With the kids, I would say minimize distractions as much as we can, because again, I think as soon as something pops up, their just attention goes off of that, and that's hard to get it back. You can also come in when in this notifications menu, you click on the individual ones like your chats. So again, I keep mine as minimal as possible. Basically, what's the least that the program will allow me to do, I do that. You can also have meeting at functions, people. I don't even do this one, but I think you can get updates on if people are online or offline. And then other, I'm just gonna shut that off because I don't necessarily need to know that because we're all in Teams already. So again, I encourage you to sit in here if you're having trouble with things popping up and it's just kind of frustrating, distracting. Help with that. That's the way too to help show the kids that you can control some things from your end to help yourself stay focused and stay engaged in what's going on in your class. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. See ya.